Welcome back, you guys. If you are a returning subscriber to my channel, welcome. If you are new, for all things party decorating and party supply DIY, Crissy Marie is turning 9 and she chose a super cute, super purple Olivia Rodrigo party. So if you are needing any type of party inspiration, decor ideas, and inspo, stick around, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is a number board with cute little pictures cut out of the birthday girl, and I'm going to number how many presents I got her and how old she's turning. This year she is turning 9, so I'm going to number 9 cups and paint the board that I got from Walmart for just a couple dollars, the purple color that she wants for her Olivia Rodrigo party. The paint that I got was also from Walmart. You can get these at any craft supply store for 50 cents to $1, and they last for quite a while. It took me about a quarter of the amount of paint that this came with, and it was only 56 cents. Such good acrylic paint for such a little amount of money, you guys, and this project turned out absolutely gorgeous for Shukri's party. So since there are 9 gifts that I'm giving to the 9-year-old birthday girl, I did get 9 solo cups of the color of the corresponding birthday, which is a lavendery purple. We did all shades of purple since Olivia Rodrigo's favorite color is purple, and also Shukri's favorite color is purple, so this worked out perfect. So I got 9 cups, and I hot glued the bottoms of them to the board in the middle. And now I am taking tissue paper, cutting it up into squares, and then taking a huge pack of rubber bands that I got from Walmart for less than $1, or you can get them from the Dollar Tree, and securing those on top of the purple cups. I got this gold Amazon arch from Amazon. It's a party decor arch, and you will see the purple cover that I got from Amazon is a little bit too big. We ended up not using this party decor for the party after all, but these make for really good photo backdrops and for party decor. So if you are needing them, they do sell them of packs of 2 and 3 on Walmart. I will go ahead and link the 3-pack down below that we got. It was around $60, and I believe they go on sale pretty frequently. So now I am going to start making our balloon garland. I believe that balloon garlands add the perfect finishing touch to any party and party decor. I love that you can customize all the colors of the balloons to make for the perfect party, and they just add the perfect touch of party decor for the party. So I got this lavendery purple balloon arch garland from Amazon for around $10. You can customize your own. You can go to the dollar store and get your own packs of balloons and make your own balloon garland, but I really like getting these Amazon balloon garland packages from Amazon because they are great for the price, and if there's any holes in the balloons, you can just return them and go for another balloon arch. So I will link this exact balloon arch down below in the comments, and now I'm going to put up fringe in the entryway and a little balloon garland on top. When you took my hand, said, let's leave now. The balloon garland kits that I get from Amazon, and most of the garland kits do come with their own strip to put the balloons together and to make them into an arch, but I like to just throw that out or save it for later and use fishing wire that, again, I get from Walmart. You guys, Walmart is coming in clutch for this video, but I use fishing wire. I bought about 3 years ago a huge line of fishing wire for $5, and it has lasted me party after party, year after year, and it is still going strong. Small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies.
you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
So for this party, since Shook is turning into a little bit of a big girl and turning into a young lady, she decided that she wanted to have a hat bar at her party. So we decided to go with Vivor's hat press. I will link the hat press down below in the description box. This hat press, you guys, heated up to the perfect heat setting. It times itself and it made the perfect hats. All the little girls were so stoked and excited to make their hats. The hats turned out perfect and I couldn't be any more impressed with this hat press. So thank you so much to Vivor for collaborating with us on this video. I got these hats for $1.99 from Hobby Lobby and they were the perfect hats to make hats at a hat party. So if you want to order from Amazon or order any different little hats, go for it. There's all sorts of hat websites where you can order hats in bulk, but I think these sublimation hats from Hobby Lobby were perfect for $1.99 for little girls and for myself. In my next video, I will be going ahead and making a hat also with the hat press for myself because I didn't get a chance to make one. But you guys, they came out so cute that I decided I wanted to make one for myself. The hat bar party turned out amazing and we will likely do it again in future parties. I looked all over the place for the best bang for your buck and to make my money stretch, single mama here, for the patches to go on the hat press and on the hats. And you guys, I found the best deal on Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box. If you are looking for iron-on hat patches or any kind of iron-on patches, this is such a good bang for your buck and you will not be disappointed buying this set. It comes with like 150 patches and it's around $40. And I looked at Hobby Lobby, I looked at Michael's, I looked at all sorts of craft and art supply stores. I looked all over the place. Look how cute the girls look with their hats on. And I have found that this package here from Amazon is the best one. It saves you money. It is the biggest bang for your buck, and I'm so impressed with the quality of these with the Vivor's hat press ironed right on, and the little girls were super impressed. So again, I will go ahead and link these patches down below in the description box, along with all the party supplies in my video and the Vivor hat press. You guys, it was a full-on family affair setting up for this Olivia Rodrigo 9th birthday party for Shukri. All of the kids were helping me. They were all in the way, so I figured what better way to get them out of the way than to have them help me. So I appointed each of them duties and they rocked it. So if you have little kids and you are planning a party, instead of getting them out of the way, give them little tasks to help you do the party and get the party together because it worked out great. I had Sophia helping me with a present table and I had Shukri helping me with a cake. You guys, I got this cake from Walmart for $11. Such a good 8-inch 2-layer cake, and they frosted it perfectly with no border, customized to my color, and then I decorated it myself. Ain't nobody got time to be making cakes by themselves when they have 4 little ones under 8 at home running around. So I hit up Walmart, got my little $11 cake and brought it home, decorated it with some fondant and some stickers and some cake toppers from Amazon. How cute did that cake turn out, you guys? Sticking with the purple theme, I got a 14-pack bag of Boom Chicka Pop from Target for $9.99, and I stuck those in the girls' gift boxes, and I got these lavender purple gift boxes from Amazon. Again, another bang for your buck.
I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust.
Funny story, this Boom Chicka Pop bag was supposed to come with 14 bags, and it actually came with 15, so they made a mistake. So we got 15 bags for the price of 14. Winning! And I got this huge bag of Nerds for $19.99 from Walmart, and this, I just picked out all of the purple and pink colors and added those to the gift bag.
It's just a